Hi, I'm really excited to bring you the Best of Both Worlds live workshop that we'll be running in a few weeks' time. Do you want to spend guilt-free, enjoy your lifestyle, go on great holidays and still be primed to buy your first home or investment property? Our Best of Both Worlds live workshop will arm you with the tools to achieve just this. It's a practical workshop for 25 to 35-year-old graduates on a career path to learn how to have the best of both worlds, to become awesome at property investing, retire young and still enjoy their lifestyle and great holidays every year. We will help you understand your numbers, where you are now, where you should be compared to your peers, and where you could be in 10 years from now. We will show you why and how 5 bank accounts across 2 banks is the minimum requirement to make saving easy. We will also show you the 5 life stage needs in property and some alternative strategies to help you leapfrog your peers. Sounds too good, right? There must be a catch. A free workshop? Well, our presenter Max Phelps has been giving this information to clients free on one-on-one appointments for 7 years now. So this workshop is a time saver for him. Max has had a 15-year-long career in a multinational before teaching for 2 years, and then for the last 10 years he's been in the finance industry. He is a professional investor collecting rent from 16 properties each month, and he is now a best of both worlds money coach who wants others to learn from both his mistakes and his successes. If you want to feel confident and in control of your financial future while still enjoying the now, come to our Best of Both Worlds live workshop. Click on the Book Now link below. My name is Samuel and I hope to see you there.